Hello everyone, welcome once again. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make toffee or condensed milk candy. I start by adding 1 cup of condensed milk into my cooking pot. I add half spoon of cinnamon powder and half tablespoon of butter. Mix together until it is well combined. After mixing, take to the heat and begin to cook on a very low heat. Stir on a circular motion continuously so that it doesn't get burnt beneath. Ensure to bring together the one sticking to the side of the pot and continue to stir. As you can see from the video, as I cook and stir the condensed milk, it thickens up. So I continue to stir until I get my desired consistency. At this level of thickness, I'll begin to turn it the way I turn my bar. Turn and scraping the one sticking to the sides of the pot. As you can see from the video, we're almost getting to our desired consistency. So we'll turn until it becomes golden brown. Ensure to prepare your mold that you'll be using to mold out the shape before making your toffee. Now we are in our right consistency of making the toffee. So I'll turn off the heat and quickly transfer to a mold. This should be carried out while still very hot, because once it's cooled, it becomes very strong and can be molded into desired shape. After transferring them to the mold, leave to rest for about 5 minutes, then remove from the mold. And here we have our toffee or condensed milk candy. If you find this video very helpful, please kindly click on the like button, comment and share this with your loved ones. This recipe is so easy, simple and super delicious. If you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you will be notified. And here we have our tasty and delicious candy. Have a nice time. See you in my next video.